welcome back to Pathashala. I am Shilpa Pradeep. Today I am starting the exercise problems from class 7 Maths chapter 2 linear equations in one variable. Watch the full video for the complete solutions and please do subscribe the channel Pathashala. So before going to start with the problems, I will tell you some conceptual facts about this chapter. The first one is what is an equation. We need to know what is an equation before solving an equation. Equation is a equality statement, a statement of equality that has one or more variable is called an equation. For example, x plus y is equal to 24. So this is an equation. So here the chapter is linear equation in one variable. That means here the equation has only one variable. For example, x minus 2 is equal to 7. So it's an equation. So next, what is a solution? Solution means the value of that variable. The value of the variable that makes an equation true. That makes an equation true. For example, for this equation, if we add 9 to this x, 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. So the equation becomes true. The value of that variable that makes an expression, that makes an equation true is called a solution of that equation. It's called solution of that equation. And we have some rules to solve the equation. So the first one is the same number can be added on both the sides. Here we have two sides. So one is the left hand side of the equality side and the other is the right hand side of the equality side. Here while solving the equation, we can add the same number in the left hand side also and the right hand side also. And the same way we can subtract the same number in the left hand side as well as in the right hand side. We can divide the same number on both the sides as well as we can multiply the same number in both the sides while solving the equation. And also we have rules for transpositions. Transposition means while shifting the numbers, shifting the constants or shifting the variables. Here, for example, I want to shift this minus 2 towards right hand side of the equation. So what I will do, 7 as usual, it's there in the right hand side. Minus 2 comes from left to right. So minus while coming to the right, the minus becomes plus. Like this we have some rules. For example, in the transposition we have 4 rules. Here the plus will become minus when we are shifting from left to right or right to left. The minus will become plus. The multiplication will become division and the division will become multiplication. These are the rules of transposition while changing the numbers or the variables from left hand side to right hand side and right hand side to the left hand side. So these facts we need to know before solving the problem. Let me solve the first problem. We have two methods to solve the problem. So I'll show you both the methods for the first problem. So here we have an equation x minus 2 is equal to 7. As I told you in the rule, we can add the same number on both the sides. I will follow that rule. So because I need only x here, we need to eliminate this minus 2. Okay. So for that, so to eliminate minus 2, which number I should add? I should add the same number because it's minus 2. If I add plus 2, it gets nullified. So the same number has to be added in the right hand side also. So it becomes minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled. X is equal to 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. This is the solution of the equation. We can verify this answer with a question. So by replacing the x with 9. The value of x is 9. So I am replacing the x value with 9. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. 9 minus 2 is 7 is equal to 7. The solution, the equation becomes true. Then the value of the x is 9. So we have one more method also. The second method is x minus 2 is equal to 7 by transposition. So I am shifting this minus 2 towards right. So 7 is already there in the right. The minus 2 comes to the right hand side, it becomes plus 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. This is the method of transposition. So for the remaining problems, I will follow the same method. You can use this method also. The second problem is y plus 3 is equal to 10. So I will keep only y in the left hand side. 10 is already there in the right. So 3, if I shift this 3 in the right hand side, it becomes 7. The value of y is 7. If you cross check the answer, 7. If you replace the y value with the 7, 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. The equation shift the whole equation to whole right hand side towards the left and whole left hand side towards the right, the signs will not change. Here I am shifting these two. Z plus 2 is equal to 6. For my convenient, I am swapping the equation. So here I want only Z. So I will shift this 2 towards right. It become minus 2. Z is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. You can cross check the answer. 6 is equal to 4 plus 2 is 6. The answer is correct. Here 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. I need only x. So by keeping x only in the left hand side, I will shift this 3 by 7 towards right. Minus 3 by 7. Here both the denominators are same. So no need to solve with no need to take a LCM. So here I am taking the common denominator. 17 minus 3. 17 minus 3 is 14. We can simplify this by 7 ones are paper, 7 ones are 7 twos are. So x becomes 2. You can cross check the answer. 3 by 7 plus 2. Here you can cross verify. 3 by 7 plus 2 is equal to 17 by 7. Here 3. If I take LCM as 7, 7 twos are 14. 7 is equal to 17 by 7. 14 plus 3 is 17 by 7 is 17 by 7. The answer is correct. Let's solve some more problems with the exercise 2.1. The next one is 6x is equal to 12. Here I need only x. So 6 will comes to the denominator because here 6 is in multiplication. If it comes to the right hand side, it becomes division. So it will come to denominator. 6 ones are 6 twos are. The value of x is 2. You can cross verify here. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. Here t by 5 is equal to 10. 5 is in division with the t. If it goes to right hand side, it becomes multiplication. So 10 5s are 50. T is 50. You can verify the value here. Here 2x by 3 is equal to 18. So here I want only x. So either you can send this whole 2 by 3 towards right hand side, or else if you can simplify in the 2 steps, you can send only 3 in one step, then you can send the 2 in other step. I will follow that second step. I will keep this 2x here. I send only 3 for the first time. 18 into 3. 3 comes to the numerator because it is in division. If it goes to right hand side, it becomes multiplication. Then 2x, then I need only x. So 18, I will not simplify this. So I will not simplify this. I will keep this as it is. I will send this 2 in the denominator. I can simplify here. 2 ones are 2 9s are 18. Then 9 3s are is 27. The value of x is 27. So you can cross check here. Again here. So we have a decimal point numbers. We will do the same method here. I will swap this. I will swap the equation here because the variable is in the right hand side. If I swap the equation, it will be easy for me to solve. So y by 1.5 is equal to 1.6. This is same as this. Even if it has some sign minus or plus, the signs will not change if we swap the equation. Here I want only y. So 1.5 will go to numerator. 1.6 into 1.5. We can multiply this. How to multiply? We can skip the decimal points. We can just multiply like this. Then we can add the decimal points in the, to the solution. 15 6 are 90. So 9 is the carry. 15 ones are 15. 15 plus 9 is 24. So now we have two decimal points. So 1 and 2. It will become 2.40. Y is equal to 2.40. This is the answer. And the next problem is 7x minus 9 is equal to 60. We want only x variable. So I will be sending this 9 towards right. 7x is equal to 16 plus 9 is 25. X becomes 25 by 7. This 7 will comes to the denominator. Here 14y is equal to 13. 8 will go to the right hand side. And minus 8 will become plus 8. 14y is equal to 13 plus 8 is 21. Y is equal to 21. 14 will comes to the denominator. It will goes in the 7 ones are table. 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. The y value is 3 by 2. The next one is 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. And only 6p is equal to 9 minus 17 is equal to, if I subtract 9 from 17, it will become 8 minus 8. So p is equal to minus 8 divided by 6. It goes with the 2 on the table. 2 3s are 2 4s are. So p becomes minus 4 by 3. Don't forget this sign. P is minus 4 by 3. Here x by 3. I want only x by 3 in the first step. I will send the 1 towards right. 7 by 15. Always while sending any number towards right, the number which is already present in the right hand side, that number you should write it first. Then you should write the new number. Minus 1. X by 3 is equal to, here the default denominator is 1. If I take a LCM, 15 to the 1, the LCM becomes 15 only. So if I take the LCM, it is 7 minus 1. 15s are 15. If I multiply that 15, this will become 15. I hope you know how to solve the LCM problems. So x by 3. So 7 minus 15, it is minus 8 divided by 15. But still we have 3 here. So I need only x. So I will send this 3 in the numerator. 8 by 15 into 3. So this 15 will go with this 3. 3 1s are, 3 5s are. So it will become minus 8 by 5. The answer is minus 8 by 5. So you can cross check the answer by replacing the value of x with minus 8 by 5. So that brings us the end of the exercise 2.1 of linear equations in one variable from class 7 maths chapter 2. I hope the solutions are clear and helpful. The rest of the exercise problems are solved in the upcoming videos. Till then, keep learning, keep smiling, and don't forget to subscribe Pathashala.